Information retrieval systems are sites such as Westlaw and LexisNexis, which help hold information on case law, statutes, and court decisions, as cited by Ethics 2016. The information can be utilized by school districts in order to create legal policies. Policies must align with Constitution, districts can use the systems to interpret law, and they provide easy access to information. The first point is that schools must set and follow policies that are constitutional and align with the Constitution. This is highlighted by Supreme Court cases as we can see how these cases affect schools. Brown v. Board of Ed was a pivotal decision as it stated that separate but equal was not in fact equal and thus unconstitutional, as cited by findings in the case. This desegregated schools by way of de jure segregation. New Jersey v. TLO found that search and seizures must be reasonable when a high school student was searched under what later became considered unreasonable grounds. This is cited by court ruling. Friedrichs v. California Teachers Association is a current case that upheld the constitutionality of fees for non-union teachers. People feel that this, in effect, may be weakening teacher unions. Looking at the cited cases also helps educators keep up to date with matters concerning to them. States ultimately have the power to interpret laws. Therefore, it is imperative to have information retrieval systems. We live in an ever-evolving world, so it is important to know the current status of laws. Religion is one good example of this. These information retrieval systems make information easy to access in order for schools to make informed decisions. Cases such as Brown v. Board of Ed, TLO, and Friedrichs are essential to keep in mind as schools move forward with creating new policies. These landmark cases continue to resurface as new ideas come into play. The Lemon test argues that practices must meet criteria that is secular in purpose, that its practices neither advance or inhibit religion, and that it does not foster excessive entanglement between state and religion. The test was developed as a way to combat arguments about First Amendment rights while also keeping with separation of religion from the schools. States have the power to interpret laws to create policies, but the Lemon test sets an important precedent. With schools of thought constantly changing, it must be taken into account that there are laws in place to decide what is constitutional and what is not. Research into case laws and statutes can help policymakers sort through the legality of a practice. Essentially, many cases can be cited that argue about religion in schools. Being aware of current opinions is important because it gives policymakers the tools to make decisions. Because opinions may differ, retrieval systems can help give focus in an often confusing world. They can help people connect ideas and outcomes and stay true to established rights.